In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can unhide country location on Instagram. You can simply enable Instagram account region to be visible to your friends in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, tap on these three lines. Then head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of About. Then select the first option of About your account. Select the middle option of Account Based In. Just enable this option on. Sometimes whenever you enable this on and get back, it still doesn't get enabled. The reason as to why is you might have just hidden your location and then you want to unhide it immediately. You will have to give it some time before you change to any option. Otherwise Instagram might even give you an action blocked statement. That's how easy it is to unhide account based in on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.